We're here at the Manila Hotel at mag-room tour tayo. Let's start with the bathroom. Yung bathroom area nila ang malaki, malinis, plus may bathtub sila. Next is yung cabinet area. So, safety box, robe, plancha, and sleepers. So outside the toilet, ayan sila. Mirror, and then coffee, tea, water, and fruits. Next is yung bed. This is a king size bed. And ang view namin ay city view. So right now, umuulan. And lastly, meron pang is yung mirror and table. So we booked this in Agoda. You can use our code KL Agoda if you want to book this room. Bye!